Let's learn how to design, share, and review surveys. Surveys are a valuable tool for collecting responses from users or customers. To design a survey, we're logged in with the Survey Admin role and navigate to View Surveys. Here are all the surveys in our system. From the View Surveys list, we access Survey Designer. We create survey questions by dragging data type controls onto the canvas and then editing their properties. We can also edit existing surveys here. Let's look at a customer satisfaction survey. Here, we can change the question, make it mandatory, or modify other settings. In this example, we just need to reorder the choices. On the Configuration tab, we can provide introduction and closing messages to users. When we click Availability, we can specify whether the survey is available to anyone or only to certain users or groups. If we select specific users, only those users or groups will be available when we assign the survey. We'll leave anyone selected and save the survey. We want to assign the customer satisfaction survey to a customer who recently interacted with the IT service desk. But before we can assign it, we need to publish it, making it available as a URL. The View Survey URL appears under Related Links. Next, we select Sarah from the list. Now she's included in the list of other recent assessors. To make this survey available to people who aren't logged into the instance, we copy the URL into an email message or web browser. You can also use the URL to review the survey from the user perspective. As users take our survey, we'll want to review the results. We can do this through the Overview dashboard, which displays a variety of reports from several surveys. We can add, delete, refresh, or rearrange these widgets to show exactly the reports we want to see. Another way to view results at the individual survey level is through the View Surveys module. Each survey record displays response trend and summary charts, which reflect current data at the time the survey record is displayed. We can also drill down into the scorecard to see results for individual questions and the overall survey results. Creating, assigning, and reviewing surveys can help you see how well you're serving your customers. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.